Welcome to our brand new series, Birds and Pigs React. Just to let you know, Con Commercials is not a series, but Birds and Pigs React is a series. And this episode is a viral video called Nyan Cat. Let's begin. When is it gonna be over? This is gonna be so long. So long. Is it nearly over yet? No. Oh, for goodness sake. I could just go and hit that, by the way. Can I do it too? Fine. Just a minute. Whee! Ow! That was sore. Let me try. Ah, that was real sore. Oh, it's farting rainbow. You just noticed that? Yeah, I mean, no. He has just noticed it. Oh, the music is fading. Yes, yes, it's over. Hooray! Yay, the video is all over. Now, question time. So, what was that video? That was Nyan Cat. It was Nyan Cat. It was pathetic cat farting rainbows. So what was the cat doing in it? It was just going along the sky in space saying meow, 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 meow. I think it was saying nyan, 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 or nyan, 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 nyan. No, it's definitely going meow. I don't care! It was farting rainbows. Okay, and what YouTuber do you think made this video? I don't know. Me neither. I have no idea. Well, this video is made by Saraj OON. That's his channel right there. Or her. Would you like or dislike this video? Dislike. Like. Why would you like it? Because it's awesome. Okay, how many views do you think this has? About, I don't know, 400 or something like that. How much do you think? About 1 million. Why do you think 1 million? Because I've watched it before, and yeah. Okay, how much do you think? 9348139. How did you know? Because I'm looking at the computer screen. Why did you guys not look at the computer screen? I know. So, guys, would you make a parody of the Nyan Cat? Yeah, I would make one doing this. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay, what would you do? Nothing of the sort. I would just go through this guy saying, shut up. Yeah, you're nice to the people. I was being sarcastic. You didn't sound like it. Well, I was. Just shut up already. And what would you do? I would go meow, 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 meow. Why? Because I love that video. Put it on again. Fine.